Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to get ready, or what is it called? This is terrible. This is going terrible. So this is a get ready with me video. Is this thing on? Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Saray Marie. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, before we get into this video, make sure you remember to go and check out my website, saraymarie.com, for more products. And definitely don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'm done annoying y'all. Let's get into this HD closure wig. I used to break with times like this. Ooh, tomato, tomato. Y'all better come over here and get you one of these. It's my glueless spray. Alright, so the first thing you gotta do is spray your edges back. Blow dry them things. Now this is the part that I really need you to put some oil on your scalp. This is a protective style and there's literally no reason why you shouldn't be nourishing your hair while it's in this style. Next, go ahead and put on your stocking cap. Now go ahead and use your hairspray again to secure the cap. And now that I'm positive that it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation. Or what I'm using this for is because the cap is a little bit, not a little bit, it's a lot different from my skin color. So this is just my foundation and I am just applying this to my cap so that when I cut it, it's more seamless versus it being like a superstar difference. So y'all, for the longest time I used to wear frontals glued down, which was such a vibe. It provided so much coverage and I was able to work out with my frontals not lifting because I was using my waterproof glue. However, the sweat that was collecting under my wigs while I was working out was really getting to me, so I had to switch to something that was a little bit more temporary where I could take on and off, which is glueless. Alright, now this is the part that you want to take your needle and thread and go around and secure your cap to your braids. And carefully cut the excess cap off. Now y'all, I've already worn this wig for about a month now, so I won't be showing you how to customize it, but get into this HD. It's measuring at a 5x5 and I typically do not do anything less than that. And my girl, this is why you need HD. You see how it's just seamlessly blending into the skin without using foundation? Like, get into it. It's gonna blend with your skin no matter what shade you are. Now you can absolutely stop at that last stage and go ahead and start styling. But if you're like me, I like a little extra security and my glueless spray will make sure that it's melted in. If you've decided to continue to the next step, the best thing for you to do now is take a foam wrap of your choice. Of course, I have my Melt Me foam wrap from my line, and you want to go ahead and apply that. Now, this is not only going to help to melt down your lace, but it's also going to make sure that there's no humps and bumps. Like, it truly gives scalp. And y'all, this is an industry trick. It's like if you're trying to get it really, really flat, this is what you need to use. You can even put your hair in a ponytail, secure it after putting the foam wrap on, and blow dry it, and it's going to give you an even flatter fix. And y'all, because my closure is so big, I could have very well did a side part, but I'm going with the bust down, middle part. So once I find my part, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Edge Master, which is also on my website. Before blow drying, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair down with my laminate glossing spray, which is also a heat protectant. So y'all, while I'm blow drying the rest of my hair to smooth it out, I'm also making sure that I hit my closure too, so that it gets nice and flat. Y'all, taking off my Edge Master is always my favorite part. Whether I'm doing a glueless install or a glued install, it's so satisfying to see that lace melted into the skin. Alright my girl, I know you're tired, but we got a few more steps. Wherever you decided to part your hair, take that wax stick and apply it. This is going to help your next step, which is the hot comb, glide easier, and it's also going to make your install flatter. And honestly, even though I do cut baby hairs, I rarely style them. I'll pull them out just to give it a fluffy look, but other than that, I won't be putting them down. Now this next step is completely optional. I'm going to spray my part to bring it in a little tighter with black hairspray, and then I'm going to go down the middle with some concealer to bold it out a little bit more. Yes, we are almost done. I'm just spraying my hair down with my glossing laminate so that I can go ahead and start my curling. So crazy because like with my hands, I don't really have feeling like that no more because of the heat. But God. So while I finish styling my hair, I've decided to do a Q&A because so many of you have been asking where I've been. It's been 6 years since I posted on YouTube. A lot has changed, including my lighting quality, clearly.
Yeah, we gonna get it right though.
The budget up. Them videos. Shout out to everybody who subscribed to me 6 years ago in those videos. Why would you subscribe? Like the poor lighting, I mean the grainy videos, the hair was I've grown. I've grown since then. But thank you so much for subscribing to my channel even when I didn't deserve it.
6 years.
I have a family now. Had a baby. Trying to have more babies and more babies. And a few more babies.
Don't say that.
I need about.
You need more babies.
I need like honestly, I think God want me to have like.
Yeah,
I think God want me to have like 8 kids, honestly. It's so crazy though because I would have never, when I was younger, and when I say younger, like before I was 25, I never like imagined myself like being a mom or having kids. And it's like now I can't imagine myself like not having kids and not having like a lot of kids. Like 1 is not enough, 2 is not enough. I mean, if that's what God see fit, like if I'm not able to have any more, that's fine. But I feel like if He will allow me to reproduce like more, I would like to multiply as much as possible because it's like that's all you have when you leave. Like that's all you have. Like I love being a mom. I love having somebody who just think like the world of everything that I do. Like I could fix her some, like I don't know, something to eat, and she gets so excited and she'll be like, "Good job, mommy."
Oh wow.
Oh wow, that's her favorite thing to say. Like everything, she like, "Oh wow, oh wow." I'm like, yes, that's the type of energy, like energy. That's what I need. Like, really, for our baby, definitely, her dad is like her true love for sure. Like she liked me. She liked me for sure, but like her dad, like, it's not even a thing. Like,
That's crazy.
That's crazy, and it's just like I just met sis. I don't even know her like that for real, and I love her. Like she's amazing.
You can love somebody like that, like a human. Like it's crazy. Like
that's the craziest thing on this earth, and it's like I always thought I was gonna be the rich auntie. I mean, I'm still the rich auntie. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. So it's just such a weird feeling because it's like again, I don't even know her like that. I just met her like a year ago, now 2 years ago. And she's just like the coolest person, which I don't know how that happened. Like, how are you cooler than me? I feel like, I mean, I've always felt like I had more to share with YouTube, like really on all my platforms, just because I'm just not like a single note. And there's nothing wrong with that if that's all you do is just hair. But it's like, for me, it's like, I love creating, whether it's events, I love creating, I love building, I love traveling, I love cooking. There's so much more that I wanted to show. And, you know, I've been behind the camera long enough, so I decided to, you know, just pop out on y'all.
So, shout me out.
Right. So those is my products.
Right.
They want to be in the shot so bad. But yeah, those are my products. Actually, it's called Hair Therapy. I mean, I've been using them throughout this service here, but it just basically focuses on, you know, people who care about hair care. Like, there's some people and there's some stylists and there's some customers who just only care about the look. Like, they only care about the the end result as far as what it looks like, vanity wise, I'm concerned about the health. Like, I want you to be able to take off your wig or take off your weave or your protective style and still have your hair, because baby, I got all mine. Therapy is about, I have shampoos, I have conditioners, I have treatments, I have heat protectants, have some hairsprays, and I also have a lot of things as far as lace services are concerned. I do a lot of lace, so of course I had to create products for that. So I have a waterproof glue, have a regular glue, stuff for those girls who want to wear glueless. This is stuff right here, and also my foam wrap. Those two products I use the most with my hair. It's me on social media. If you do follow me on Instagram, you'll know that we or when people are like my baby daddy. Oh, I hate that.
We don't say that type of stuff.
You said who?
We don't say that type of stuff.
Baby daddy is just so like, ugh.
That's ghetto.
I do not like when people say that, but it is what it is. But anyways, my significant other and I opened up a space for our daughter called October's Place, and it's a venue. So we throw parties there, people can rent it out, they can do photo shoots there, they can do production there. Honestly, it's been really exciting. It's been very expensive. But it's led us into other things, like, you know, we wanted something for her, something that she can, once she gets older, which even now, like, she 100%, at one point she didn't know what October's Place is, but now she knows. She knows this is her building. And in the near future, actually, I plan to give y'all a tour, because it's actually where we're at right now. I'm inside of the glam room at October's Place. So, I mean, it's giving. You can see it's giving. The corner that you see is giving. The whole building is giving, but I can't wait to, you know, show y'all the rest of the building. And if you got a party coming up, if you're in LA, if you know somebody that's in LA, like, feel free, like, come run us out, you know? I ain't saying pull up, because we're by appointment only. But yeah. I do have a passion for hair, so I'm transitioning into more educational stuff. Like, I was more into movies and film, and of course keep some of the same clients that I've built over time, as well as continue to build my actual hair care line. I felt like, I'm not gonna say it was time to leave, but I felt like I had done everything I needed to do in Atlanta. So, I mean, one of the blessed, you know, things that happened to me that was a super blessing is, like, once I got to LA, like, it kind of went fast for me. Like, people saw my work, and I was getting hired by record labels. I mean, still am, but record labels were hiring me. I got hired by a few networks. My most exciting clients that I was able to work with since I've been here was Solange. Like, that was an amazing experience. Let's see. Oh, I worked with Ashanti. I've worked with my girl Bia, K Michelle, my girl Sky. Hey, Sky. Sky Jackson. Oh yeah, there is a lot of Skies. So yeah, Sky Jackson. That Sky. Put some respect on her name. Who else? Why am I drawing blanks right now? Where's my list?
Oh, it's a list. So
Yeah.
it should be cut.
Summer Walker. Coco Jones.
Ari Dream Doll.
Oh, Ari, she's such a sweetheart. Dream Doll.
Some influence.
And I've worked with some great influences too. You'll be seeing, you know, me cooking, me being a mom, me running my other businesses, things like that. Hey y'all, thank you for tuning back in with me to see me install this style on myself. So you saw I did use spray and I did use the foam wrap. It just gives you a little extra security. Now, do you have to do that? No, you could just very well put your wig on and just keep it moving. But me, I like a little extra razzle dazzle. It melts it a little bit more. Definitely, if you don't decide to use any hairspray, you can just put it on normally without anything, but you do have to have it a lot tighter, which I don't like the tightness on my head, so that's kind of why I went this way. But go to my website at www.sierramarie.com and grab your glueless hairspray. Bye. Thank you. I really hope you all enjoyed my video. I went ahead and added pictures of my final look I wore to the game tonight. Let me know your thoughts. Also, comment which hairstyle you want me to try next. And don't forget to like and subscribe.